What's good, you guys? This is your favorite mentor back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So you already know, guys, you know the vibes. We're coming back with NAS 100. We're coming back full force, and we're coming back with another banger, guys. So as you guys can see on the last video, if you didn't check it out, please check it. The video where I explained how to trade the high and low strategy. Right now, as you can see here, remember last time we explained that once the market breaks out of this trend line and it has such volatility, this is when you want to take your entry on such a breakout. But if the market breaks out while it's correcting, you need to know that the market will go back. But in this case, the market impulsed out of the trend line, right? So when the market impulses out of the trend line, this is when you take your entry, right? Now, when the market retraces to your most recent high or low, this is when you will take your other trade. That's how we trade the high and low strategy. Now, in today's video, I'm not going to explain the high and low strategy. If you want to watch that one, go to the video whereby I taught everyone how to trade on the high and low strategy, right? So what I'm gonna do now is remove all the drawings. So before we get into this video, guys, please pause the video and hit the subscribe button. That's if you are new subscriber, right? But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Just click the like video and let's get into the video, guys. So as you guys saw in the thumbnail, we are going to talk about Nasdaq, right? We are going to talk about how to trade Nasdaq. We are going to talk about how you can make money, right, while trading NAS 100, right? So now you will go to the daily time frame. The first thing you want to do is you want to start on a high time frame. Why do you want to start on a high time frame? To see where the market direction is going, right? To see the overview of the market. You can't see the market direction on a 1 hour. You can't see the market direction on a 15 minutes time frame, because those time frames are meant for you to take your entries, right? Your entries, you take them on the lower time frames, and then the higher time frames, you look for market direction, right? So when we come to Nasdaq now, today I'm not going to highlight the highest point, lowest point, and the points whereby the market's going to reverse, right? Today I'm just going to look at how we're gonna trade with this strategy, right? The strategy that I'm going to show you, right? How to trade Nasdaq, how do you actually make money on Nasdaq? So we are going to leave the highest point, lowest point, and what. That one is for you to use on your own. I've said it enough, and it's time for you to use it on your own. Now, what we can see here on Nasdaq is that the market is actually forming a lower high and a lower low. And obviously here we know that the market is going to come from a lower low, right? If the market does not break this low, we know that the market is going to break this high. Because remember, if the market doesn't break a low, it means that firstly it's respecting this support. And in every support, there's a resistance. In every resistance, there's a support. You get me? Right. So now we can already see that, okay, cool. The market has like a support here, and this one we need to outline it. Why do we need to outline this? Now, this is the second step of this strategy, right? You need to know where the market is going to reverse, right? This is very critical. You can never trade the market with a trend line, guys. You cannot trade the market with a trend line. You cannot tell me you are taking your trade on a trend line. That's so stupid, guys. Because at a trend line, and every trend line, there's a zone. There's either a support or a resistance. If you're looking to sell, make sure you sell. Even though it's a downtrend, make sure you sell at the resistance, right? And make sure you buy at the support, right? So let me not bore you guys. Let me move down to the 4-hour time frame, and then we can see what's happening. So now when we come to the 4-hour time frame, I'm just gonna correct my zone over here, right? I'm just gonna correct my zone over here like this. And then now what we can see here is that the market touched here, it rejected. The market touched here, it rejected, right? The market touched here, it rejected. Now the market touched here. The market is already giving us a lot of wicks. And what did I say in my previous video? If the market gives you a lot of wicks, it's showing you signs of weaknesses for the what? For the sellers. So now when the market is giving us wicks like this, we know that the market is going to buy, guys. It's not that hard, right? So now the two things that I've explained in this video is your highest time frame and your support and resistance, right? Highest time frame is to mark out the direction of the market, to see the bias of the market, and then the support and resistance is the one you're going to use in order to let you in your opportunity, right? Your trading opportunity. So on the 4-hour now, we've seen that the market is on a support, right? We've just cleared our support. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame and see what we can do to the market furthermore. Okay, what we can see on the 1-hour time frame, guys, is that the market created this double bottom, right? And we know on the double bottom we are going to buy. That brings me to my third step. Look for reversal patterns, right? Look for double bottom, double top, head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. Look for those things. Triple top, triple bottom. Those are the things you want to be looking at also. You get me? Those are the things that are going to make you profitable in Nasdaq, right? And then the fourth step is you want to look for continuation patterns, right? You get the point. You want to look for continuation patterns. After the market moves in a certain direction, you want the market to either consolidate or create a pattern that's going to ensure you that you are going to, let's say the market was a buy. Let's say the market was a buy, right? Or let's say the market was a sell, and then the market created a bearish flag, right? And then in this bearish flag, we know that the market is going to continue the sell, right? You get the point. So this one, it's not a bearish flag. This one is a bullish flag. So we know that the market has been selling for this past while. Now it's creating a bullish flag. And then from this bullish flag, we know that the market is going to continue buying. You get the point. So let me just create this bullish flag. You get the point. Let me just create this bullish flag. Okay, fine, guys. Now we've created this bullish flag, which looks more like a pennant there, but it's fine. It's fine, right? So I've already explained like 4 steps in, or 4 or 5 steps, guys. Ish, I'm even losing count, eh? Please subscribe, guys. We're working hard. Please subscribe. Okay, fine. Now we move down to the 15 minutes time frame. What did I tell you about the 15 minutes time frame? We're gonna clear the chart and we're gonna look for more and accurate entries, right? 15 minute chart is there for you to look for entry. 5-minute chart is there for you to take the entry. So let me break down the time frames when trading Nasdaq, guys. On the daily time frame, you're gonna look for your direction. You're gonna look for the bias of the market. When you come down to the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna correct those while adding your support and your resistance. When you come to the 1-hour time frame, you're gonna look for your patterns and your reversal zones, right? Before I continue with this, guys, look how the market is just strongly pushing up from this zone. And we said it, guys. We said it. Now, this is another reversal zone that I'm looking at. Look at this inverse head and shoulder, right? Here we had our left shoulder. Here we are creating our head, and here we have our right shoulder, right? Let me just mark out those zones in order for you to see them properly, right? Here we have our left shoulder, and then if I clone that, I can bring you to your head, right? I can bring you to your head. Okay, let me just create another one, guys. Let me just create another one. So here we have our head, and then obviously here we have our left shoulder, which this obviously shows us that the market is going to buy, right? The market is going to buy. Now, let me show you a trick that you are going to do on Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, you are not going to draw Fibonacci's or whatever the case may be, guys. You're not gonna do that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna set your take profits on highs, right? You're gonna use highs. Like that one is our take profit 1 that's already been hit. That's our take profit 2. Then we have our take profit 3, and then we have our take profit 4. This is the only way you can make money on Nasdaq. Now listen to me carefully. I'm only gonna say this once and never again. After the market has hit take profit 2, you want to make sure that you set your stop loss to break even. Why am I saying this? Because the trade might come back. Because remember, these are highs. As much as these are take profit zones, these are also zones whereby the market can reverse. So the market might not hit your 3rd or 4th take profit and then it resists, right? But keep in mind that your 1st and 2nd take profit were already hit. So for the market to come close break even, you are still going out with a profit. At the end of the day, we're looking to make money. We are not looking to be the best on Instagram. We are looking for us to make money, right? You fund that account for you to make money. Nasdaq doesn't know who you are. Nasdaq doesn't know who Uncle Nasdaq is. If you search Nasdaq now on Google, it won't show you Uncle Nasdaq. It will show you Nasdaq itself, Nas 100 index, right? So take what the market gives you. Don't do what Instagram traders are doing, guys. Later on, you will be there scamming people, what. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what you'll do is you'll set your take profits on highs, because that's the only thing Nasdaq respects, right? You can't set your take profit in the middle of the market there. No, Putty, what are you doing, right? Okay, next thing is you want to make sure, guys, when the market is going in your direction, or when the market is taking your way, you want to have patience, right? That leaves me to the 5-minute time frame. Patience means that even though the market is impulsing like this, the market is moving beautifully in your direction, you are not going to close that trade. You're not going to open more trades. You are the only positions you take are here, right? The only positions you take are here, right? And you set your take profit on take profit 4, and then you have your stop loss below the low, right? Now this is a nice 1:6 risk to reward ratio, right? You can make nice money from this, guys, but you won't make money if you are emotionally if you are emotionally delete your forex account, go sell Herbalife, right? Now what I want you to do is you need to watch the market closely when trading Nasdaq, especially when trading on the 1 hour or when trading on the 15 minutes. You want to come back after every 30 minutes just to look at the volatility of the market and to look at how the market is moving, because it won't help you. You are scared now, you want to stay away from the market, no, you just blow, right? What I want you to do is come back to the market now after every 30 minutes just to see what the market is doing. Okay guys, now to close off with my video is I've proven live that this strategy works, because look how the market is just buying. The market has hit take profit 1, it's going for take profit 2, eventually will hit take profit 3. Now look at the zone. This might be a double top. If the market comes here, it could easily reverse. So if the market breaks this zone, I'll set my stop loss to break even somewhere around about below take profit 1. So I know when the market reverses, at least I go out with a small profit nyana there. But you guys can see how strong this thing is. Even in the night, you can see already this thing, it's making us a lot of cash. If you enjoyed this video and you learned about this video, guys, you learned a lot and you've gained a lot of knowledge, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and go watch my previous videos to learn more strategies, right? Keep doing what you do best. I'm gonna keep doing what I do best. Danko.